Hi, Nisha here from Kerr Design Studio, and I just wanted to talk to you guys really briefly today about how would you find a designer that's going to work for you on your project. Now, this is a really good question, and it really comes down to fit. So when you're meeting with a designer, you just want somebody that you feel really comfortable with, that is asking you questions about what it is that you want, trying to figure out your style, the feeling that you want in your space. Please remember, it's about you. It's not about the designer. The designer's there to help guide you through the process to bring your dreams to life within your home. So I hope that helps. Some of the benefits that working with a designer will bring to your space. So we go to school for this. We've learned and been trained in design and architecture. So we bring a lot of expertise on bylaws and zoning and codes, as well as what are things that are going to really work well together for you and the functionality of all of the materials and how they all come together. Something else that we bring though is we've been doing this for a long time, and we might have some ideas that are thinking outside of the box, maybe something that you haven't considered that could be really good and work really well for you and your space. So I love having those moments, sort of an aha moment for the client that they hadn't thought of that. And I really feel like I'm bringing my value when those moments happen. What's the design process look like? So companies, I think, differ in the way that they go through the design process. For us, we have a phased approach. We go through concepts, then we develop the design, and then we go into permits if that's required on your job. And then we do the interior design, which is all of the selections of the materials. For a package like that, you would be looking to spend around 10% of the value of the construction cost. Designers can charge by the hour. Their hourly wages can range, and they can also charge by square foot. They can do fixed price or cost plus. So there's really a lot of different packages out there that are available to you. Just make sure that you're getting all the clear information and that you know exactly what it is that's being charged. But in the end, it should be around 10% of the value of your construction cost. I hope that helps. One of the really important things that I think that you need to have nailed down before you start your job is you really need to know what it is that you're really wanting, a wish list. You can have a must-have list, a wish list, and it's okay to let it go list. Along with that, it would be really good to have a budget in mind that you're looking to spend. This is really going to help your contractor to nail down what it is that we can do for you in your space. The design build process really quickly. So what we do at Kerr Design is we work together with the construction company. So we are the same company, Kerr Construction and Kerr Design Studio. So when you're working together, each step that you're taking through the design process, you're working the design elements together with the budget and with all the knowledge of the designers, as well as all of the construction crew, which comes with a wealth of knowledge so that we can achieve all of your dreams and all of your goals and hit all those wish list items as much as we can within budget, and doing that step by step all along the way through the process. So nothing ever really gets out of hand. We always sort of know where we're standing. And I hope that helps. Okay, bye.